Welcome back to Uncle Bud's Cookhouse. Before I get started, I'd just like to take time to say thank you for the subscribers, the likes, the shares, the comments. It really means a lot to me. Really appreciate it. Yeah, subscribe. Go ahead and do that now. I'll wait. Okay, now you're subscribed. Let's get to cooking. So today's St. Patrick's Day. We're going to do something special for you. We're going to make a shepherd's pie. And not what you normally see in restaurants where you get beef. No, we're talking lamb. So let's get to it. Alright, so we got our big pot here going. Got a little bit of olive oil on the bottom heated up. We're going to start browning up this minced or ground lamb. Just put it in here. Alright, so we're getting our lamb browned up. Now we're using large chunks of lamb and a shank or even some chops. We'd be braising these. We're going to do a similar route, but for a pie it's always better to have a mince or a ground. It leaves a better consistent bite through and through. So you get a little bit of lamb in every scoop. We'll brown this up. Now going with this, we've got the traditional carrots and peas. And we'll use onions, but for this I like to use pearl onions. It just seems a little nicer when you take a forkful out of your pie and you got a little onion sitting there. All nice them together. We'll brown this up first. A little pinch of salt. A couple cracks of black pepper. Now this is 1 pound of lamb. And we're going to put in 1 cup of sliced carrots, about, lost one, ½ cup of pearl onions, now our peas are frozen, so we don't put them there quite yet. They don't need as much cooking as these carrots and onions do. We got 2 sprigs of thyme and a sprig of fresh rosemary. And we'll cover these up for a couple minutes. Everything soften just a little bit. Alright, so we've got a little brown going here on our lamb. Our carrots and onions are starting to sweat just a little bit. This is, that's smelling fantastic. But we're actually going to braise this in the oven to finish it up. So we're going to put about a cup of a Pinot Grigio in. Now I can eye measure this myself. You might want to use a measuring cup. Just about that much. Doesn't have to be expensive. If you're willing to drink it, cook with it. But don't go crazy on price. No sense. So we have about 2 cups here of beef stock. Not chicken stock, beef stock. About there. This is going to reduce in the oven, and we're going to add some flour in, make that gravy up. It's going to be delicious. And while this is in the oven, we're going to make some Ulster Champ. Now you're saying, what in the world is Ulster Champ? Ulster Champ is mashed potatoes, but instead of just regular milk and butter in it, you infuse the milk with green onion, then make your mashed potatoes. It's going to be a topping. It's going to be delicious. Trust me. Then we got to put our frozen peas in here. There we go. Give this guy a stir. Add a little more salt. Maybe a little more salt. A little more black pepper. Alright. Now we're going to cover this, put in the oven. Got the oven set at 350. We're going to put in, check it about every 15 minutes until it's reduced down. Then turn the oven off, let some of the heat out, and we'll get to it and show you how they're finished up. But next, let's make some Ulster Champ. Alright guys, so we got a little pot out. We got some whole milk. Don't use the 2%, 1% stuff. Use the whole milk. Just grab this up here so it don't make too big of a mess. And we're going to put about a cup, 2 cups of milk in here. Now you might not use it all, but you can save it and use it for another recipe if you like. So I've taken some green onion tops. You see they're pretty well cut up in little slivers. That's about half cup, loose half cup. Just going to put those in. We're going to bring this up to a simmer. Let that simmer for about 5 minutes or so. And then we're going to get our mashed potatoes. Now I've already cooked our potatoes. Use a white potato. 15 minutes or so. Let check till they're fork tender. In a pot of salted water. Heavy boil. Keep an eye on it, or you'll boil your potatoes away to nothing. Some butter, a little masher. This is delicious. Also, you just want to make the champ. Goes great with a traditional Irish breakfast. A little black pudding, a little white pudding, a couple eggs, some rashers, some bangers. Real nice. But we're going to get the champ made to the topping on our pie today. Alright, just got to let this steep. We'll see you over at the counter to make our mash. Alright, so we got our green onions steeped in our milk. Got 6 tablespoons of butter here just in case. Got some cooked up white potatoes. Now, let's get mashing. This is basically just get your burnt force going here. Now, some people like to run these through a ricer first to make it easier to mash. But I got enough back end on me I can mash without it. Start pouring a little bit of milk in here. Now this is going to be all per eye, depending on how long your potatoes cooked, how starchy they are. So just start with a little bit at a time. And if they get too creamy, boil a couple more potatoes. And help even that out. Now as they sit, they will thicken though. So a little butter in here, about 2 tablespoons. Now I'm using this big measuring bowl. It's got a handle on the side. Maybe another tablespoon of butter. Spoon here, clean this off. It'll take us a taste. Maybe we adjust salt, maybe a little pepper, maybe a little more milk. Okay. We're in need of other stuff. So we'll put some salt in. We're going to put some more butter in. Come on, butter. There we go. And we're going to put a little more milk and trade more green onion there this time. There we go. Now, It's a little gloppy now, but once we get it mixed up, it'll get to where we need. Scrape this bottom here. Now you're going to say, ooh, that looks real runny. A little bit. Like I said, once the starch in this potato sets up, it cools just a little bit. You'll see it thicken up. We'll be able to spoon it out nicely on top of our filling. Put it in the oven under a broiler. We'll brown that top. Let's take one more taste with a clean spoon. Use a little pepper. And half a pinch of salt. With this and real tasty Ulster Champ on top of the shepherd's pie we're making. All right, we got about another 10 minutes or so on our filling. We'll put a little flour in there, about 4 tablespoons to thicken that up, get the gravy going. And I'll show you how we're going to finish it off. Alright guys, so our filling's cooked up, everything's softened but not mushy. We add a little flour in, just about 6 tablespoons or so. As you can see, we have a real good gravy. And we got a little cast iron skillet here we're going to use as our serving dish and our cooking vessel. So I'm going to put a little spoon in here, a couple spoons, this ladle. I think one more will do it. Man, it does look good, don't it? Now, I'm going to set this hot pot out of my way, because this came out of the oven. And we got that Ulster Champ we made up. So now we're going to stir, start spooning it. Now this is for home cooking. It doesn't have to be super fancy with little peaks and whips and what have you. You just want it to sit on top. It'll brown up in the oven. But if you want to get a piping bag and pipe this out, go ahead. If you're feeling fancy, be fancy. Get that spilling. Yep, a little spillage. That's fine. We're cooking, it gets dirty. We'll clean it up. Now we're going to put this in the oven. Set your broiler on. Set this close to the broiler, not right on top. And please make sure you use a towel to grab this handle. They get mighty hot. They will burn you. Be careful. Alright. So as y'all can see, potatoes are brown on top. With a nice little crust to them. Now, it's going to be a little hot, so I'm going to take my time dig in here from the side. You can see that steam rolling off here. That looks pretty good. Now I am going to give this a minute to cool down, so I don't burn my mouth for the next 2 weeks. But I'm going to see you when we pan back up and have this to taste. Alright, so we're up top now. Let's have a taste of this. Man, that's good. You get the Ulster Champ, you get that nice subtle bit of green onion, you get the richness from that lamb and that red wine, you get some earthiness from that carrot, the onion, the peas. I don't think anybody else have it. I'm going to eat it myself. That's how good it is. Alright guys, thanks for joining us today on Buzz Cookhouse. Please like, share, subscribe. Tell your mom and them about us. Happy St. Patrick's Day. We'll see you next time.